Hey everyone, welcome back to the session. In last session, we were able to print. We were able to print a text in an ANSI art form when we imported the art module in it and ran with the Python. So this was the result we were getting, but it was looking a little bit not. It's looking a little bit weak. So let's add some colors in it. So we're going to use ANSI color codes. So to add the colors in it. So if we gonna search ANSI colors Python 3, we will be able to get so many codes over here. And also there are so many modules that could be used for the same. What is ANSI? Actually, ANSI is a type of escape code which is used to change font colors, font styles, font size for all the text that is written on the terminal. So we are not going to use any new module over here because we have already used so many. So over here, we know the module of a terminal. We know the ANSI codes for our terminal. These are the codes, and accordingly, the colors are given. So we are going to use these codes. So first of all, we're going to try it in Python 3 environment. Let's go and let's try to print hello. We can add those code. Let's make it red and copy. We're going to paste. We are able to see that our text is printed as printed in the red. But as we go ahead, we are able to see that whatever we are writing, whatever we are typing, everything is coming back in red. So we don't need that. We just need that one specific text is in red, and then the rest would be in the default color. So what we're gonna do for this is we have to add the default color code behind after the text. So the text is embedded in the color code of red and then ending with the color code of default. So when we will execute this code, and now we got our default color back. So let's add this. So let's add this into a code. Let's go back, and here's a code. Let's add this on top. Let's say, yeah, one more thing. We cannot use these ANSI color codes with the tprint because tprint is the module of art. It's not actually the print. Print is the default. Print is the default statement in the Python 3, but tprint is the module. Tprint is the statement which came from the art. So we cannot use these color codes over here, or else we'll get this printed, of course. So let's print it in, let's say, maybe red. So let's have let's delete this very quick and copy this, and let's add another line to print, and this it would be default one, and just save, and let's try to run a script. And as you can see, our ASCII art is now in the color. So we can actually add specific colors for the results we are getting for the print statements. Like for the current MAC address, we can like add anything like yellow or green, and for all the errors we can add red. So thank you guys for watching this.